Yeah, seventh sum, sin square y plus cos of xy equal to k. See, it is in a power. First you have to concentrate on the power. How many terms are there? First you will differentiate the power, then sin y, then y you will write it as dy by dx. Okay. See, first you will concentrate on the power. 2 into sin power 2 minus 1 into y, n into y power n minus y. So that power part is over. The power is over. Remaining sin y. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. Whenever y comes, you have to write dy by dx. See, power comes, you should do first in the power. Okay, 2 into sin power 2 minus 1 into y. Then differentiation of sin y is cos y. Y means dy by dx plus cos of. Okay, cos x means minus sin x, but here cos of xy. So minus sin of xy. Cos of xy means minus sin of xy. Then xy you have to, because two terms. Okay, if it is x means we have no problem. Cos x means differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, but addition of terms xy. Okay, so xy you can do it in a UV method. Cos of xy is minus sin of xy. That xy you can do it in a UV method. X into u v dash plus v u dash. X into y become dy by dx plus y into x become 1. Y into x become 1. X into dy by dx plus y into 1 equal to constant term. K is a constant term. There is no x term or y term. So it becomes 0. Okay. See here. 2 into 2 sin y cos y. 2 sin y cos y dy by dx minus, you bring it inside, minus x sin of xy into dy by dx minus x sin of xy into dy by dx minus y sin of xy equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay. Minus sin of xy into x dy by dx. So x sin of xy into dy by dx minus into plus minus y of sin of xy equal to 0. 2 sin a cos a. What is the formula? Trigonometric formula. 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a. You will write it. Sin 2y. 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, or you can leave it as it is, no problem. Sin 2y into dy by dx minus x sin of xy into dy by dx. There is no dy by dx term, so you bring it to next side. So y into sin of xy. Y into sin of xy. Here you can take it as dy by dx commonly out. What is the remaining thing you have? Sin 2y minus x sin of xy equal to y of sin xy equal to y of sin xy. So dy by dx equal to, you can bring it down. Okay. See here, dy by dx equal to y sine of xy by sine 2y minus x sine of xy. X sine of xy. So this is dy by dx. Yeah, listen, 8th sum, sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. See, first you will concentrate on the power. So 2 sin 2 minus 1 into x. Sin 2 minus 1 into x, you have two parts. One is power, the next one is sin x. So 2 sin 2 minus 1 into x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus 2 cos 2 minus 1 into y. 2 cos 2 minus 1 into y, because it is in a power. 2 cos 2 minus 1 into y. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, because two parts we have to differentiate, successive chain rule differentiation. First power 2, next cos y. Sin, whenever y comes, dy by dx equal to constant term 1, it becomes 0. So 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x minus 2 minus into plus minus 2 cos y sin y into dy by dx equal to 0. I told you in the previous sum itself, sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. See, 2 sin x cos x is nothing but what? Sin 2x. Okay, the same way sin y cos y or cos y sin y. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are also 12. So it is a multiplication, that's all. So 2 sin y cos y, it's nothing but what? Sin 2y. Sin 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0 minus sin 2y into dy by dx equal to, minus sin 2y into dy by dx equal to, you bring sin 2x, so minus sin 2x, minus get cancelled. So what is the answer of dy by dx? dy by dx equal to sin 2x by sin 2y. Sin 2x by sin 2y. See, y equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. See, we can do it straight away, means you know that inverse function. Sin inverse of x, what is the formula? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Then because you have two parts, sin inverse of one part, then you can differentiate this one, means u by v formula, but it will be lengthy. See, it will be lengthy. You have to do it straight away, means you can do it, because sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of x means 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Then you have to differentiate this thing. You can use it by u by v formula. So we can do it in a simple method. You know the trigonometric formula. First you will be thorough with the trigonometric formula. Sin, see the term 2x by 1 plus x square. What is the formula for sin 2 theta in terms of tan? What is the formula? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta in terms of tan. If you see the sum, just you have to think about the trigonometric formula. It is easy to do the sum, or otherwise it will go lengthy. See, sin 2 theta equal to, in terms of tan, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square. X place replaced by tan theta, you get the value of sin 2 theta. See here, I can take it as here, x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. Replaced by x equal to tan theta. So y equal to sine inverse of sine inverse of 2 into tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 into tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So y equal to sine inverse of, what is the formula for this? Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. You know that you have studied in the inverse trigonometric itself. Sine inverse, sine get cancelled. What is the value you are getting? 2 theta. So what is x equal to tan theta? What is the value of theta here? What is the value of theta here? You bring tan this side. So it become tan inverse of x. It become tan inverse of x. So y equal to 2 tan inverse of x. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx, differentiation with respect to x. What is the formula for tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 into differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So it gives the answer 2 by 1 plus x square. See here, I will repeat once again. Y equal to sine inverse of. If you will do it straight away also, you will do it, no problem, but you will get a lengthy sum. But in such a way, you can use the trigonometric value instead of x. It is easy to get the answer. So sine 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of x, I can substitute the value of tan theta. X equal to tan theta sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So y equal, what is the formula? Y equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So y equal to sine inverse, sine get cancelled. What is the answer? Y equal to 2 theta. Y equal to theta. What is the value of theta? Theta equal to, you bring tan in this side, it become tan inverse. So y equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Dy by dx equal to 2 into differentiation of tan inverse of x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. It gives 2 by 1 plus x square. See here, 10th sum, y equal to tan inverse of. See this, 3x minus x cube, 1 minus 3x square, it lies in the open interval, minus 1 by 3 less than x less than 1 by 3. 3 is the value here. So minus 1 by 3 less than x less than 1 by 3. What the value we have taken here? See, x equal to tan theta. What is the formula for tan 3 theta? What is the formula for tan 3 theta? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. See here, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is nothing but what? Tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta, I will take it as y equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So it gives the value y equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. tan inverse of tan 3 theta. So y equal to, I am getting a value 3 theta. 3 theta. So x equal to tan theta. What is the value of theta here? Theta equal to, I told you in the previous sum, I have discussed already. So theta equal to tan inverse of x. Theta equal to tan inverse of x. So y equal to 3 tan inverse of x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. See, differentiate with respect to x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 3 into tan inverse of x. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So what is the final answer? You got it? 3 by 1 plus x square. So you will be thorough with the trigonometric formula. It is easy to do the sum, or it will be lengthy. See 11th sum, y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. It lies in the open interval. We already seen in the inverse trigonometric function. It lies in the interval 0, 1. See, I can take it as x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. What is the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan? Whenever you see the sum, you just spark it. Oh, okay, x equal to tan theta, we get the answer of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So I will write it there. Y equal to cos inverse of. Y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So what is the value for this? It's nothing but cos 2 theta. So y equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse and cos get cancelled. What is the final value? Y equal to 2 theta. See here, what is the theta value here? Theta equal to tan inverse of x. Theta equal to tan inverse of x. Y equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Y equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Differentiate with respect to y. Sorry, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So what is the answer? 2 by 1 plus x square. Yeah, see the 13th sum, y equal to cos inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. The interval is given as minus 1 to 1. So we can take it as x equal to tan theta. If x equal to tan theta means 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. It is not a cos 2 theta. In this case, what we will do, see here, we can take it as x equal to tan theta. You will write theta equal to tan inverse of x. X equal to tan theta, theta equal to tan inverse of x. See, sin 2 theta equal to, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So you write it here, x equal to tan theta, y equal to cos inverse of, y equal to cos inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It gives cos inverse of What is the formula for 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Sin 2 theta. But here cos is there. It will not get cancelled. So cos inverse sin. How we can change sin by cos? See here, I will write it. Cos inverse of, shall I write like this? Cos of 190 minus theta. It lies in the first quadrant. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. So I will write cos of 90 minus theta. 90 value I will write as pi by 2. 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is nothing but what? Sin theta. Now cos inverse cos get cancelled. What is the value you are getting? See here, pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. 2 theta, it's nothing but y. So y equal to pi by 2 minus 2 into what is the theta value? Tan inverse of x. Theta equal to tan inverse of x. Now dy by dx. Dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to pi by 2 is constant. So it become 0. Minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. So the final answer is 2 by 1 plus x square. See, 14th sum, y equal to sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square, that lies in the interval. Because sin value, cos value, both the values are equal in cos 45 degree. At the cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 and sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. I will take it as here x equal to sin theta. X equal to sin theta. See, x equal to sin theta. What is here? 2x into root of 1 minus x square. We don't have a separate formula, trigonometric formula. See, we have to make the formula here. 2x into root of 1 minus x square equal to 2 sin theta into root of 1 minus x square means sin square theta. Sin square theta. So, 2 sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but what? Cos square theta. So it gives 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. What is the formula for 2 sin theta into cos theta? Good, sin 2 theta. So I will change x equal to sin theta means what is the answer I am getting here? Sin 2 theta in this place. Okay, so y equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin get cancelled. Y equal to 2 theta. So what is the theta value here? Theta equal to sin inverse of x. Theta equal to sin inverse of x. Y equal to 2 into sin inverse of x. Differentiate with respect to y. Dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 2 into what is the differentiation of sin inverse of x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equal to 2 by root of 1 minus x square. 2 by root of 1 minus x square. See 15th sum, y equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2 x square minus 1. It lies in the open interval 0, 1 by root 2. See here I can take it as x equal to, because secant, so I can take it as x equal to cos theta, because inverse of cos theta equal to secant theta. See, I can take it as this alone, 1 by 2x square minus 1. It gives 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So what is the formula for 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 1 by cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. See here. So what is the value? 1 by cos is nothing but secant. So it gives the value secant 2 theta. It gives the value secant 2 theta. So y equal to secant inverse of. Secant inverse of, you replace the term by secant 2 theta. Secant 2 theta, and secant inverse and secant get cancelled. Y equal to 2 theta. What is the value of theta here? Theta equal to cos inverse of x. Theta equal to cos inverse of x. So y equal to 2 cos inverse of x. Differentiate y with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to 2 into, what is the differentiation of cos inverse of x? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square.